Oh, I wanted something delicious for lunch and or a snack, so I decided to do a chicken breast wrap because I had some good chicken breast by Boars Head in the refrigerator. So I put a little olive oil in the skillet because the key to a good wrap is a warm tortilla. So I put it in there and then I sauteed some purple onions before I put my mayo and my honey mustard. I think I didn't use honey mustard this time. I used some good Gordon's mustard. And then I took the chicken breast and I put it on top of it in the skillet because I wanted the breast to be a little warm. I should have took it out the refrigerator so it could have got to room temperature. Seasoning your lunch meat, your meat is so important to the flavor. So I had pink Himalayan sea salt and black pepper mix that I did that. I believe in shredding your own cheese. It's going to be fresher. It's going to be tastier. And this was a block of Gouda cheese that I had. It's going to melt better. It's not processed, overly processed. Getting it warm is the key. I wanted some tomatoes in it. But I only could do what I had because I wasn't going out to get anything special to make a sandwich. This wrap was about what I had, and it was good and tasty. I liked it a lot. I liked the color, and I liked the little crunchiness. I had a little crunch to it. Yeah, that was good. And those onions and tomatoes, it was right on time. I liked that. And then I could cut it up and make it a snack. It was tasty. I was pleased. I did that. Somebody tell Big Daddy that I got sandwiches ready, honey. We snacking and eating up in here with what we got in the fridge.